Hi friends, my name is Ranjit. Today we will discuss about the JavaScript placement. So in this video we will learn how JavaScript can be placed in our code. So basically we know that JavaScript is a programming language for the web development. JavaScript code is inserted between script tags, right? So the code can be is inserted between these tags, these two script tags, and JavaScript can be placed in head tag, body tag, and in external file like myscript.cs. So these are some basic point about JavaScript placement, how we can place the JavaScript in our code. So now this is our code, right? So basically this is a body, so we take this is a heading, and this is a paragraph. Here we take a id demo, and this is a simple button. The type is button, right? On click event my function, we are calling my function, right? And click here, right? So this is simple text. So now if you run this here, so it will look like this, it will look like this, right? So it will look like this, JavaScript placement high. So this is a simple button. Now if you click at present, it will not work, right? So it will not work, but right. So first we will see the JavaScript placement in the body tag, right? First we see in the body tag. So this is a body tag, right? So this is our code, script code, right? Script. So this is my function, so we create my function, and this my function, we get my function, and that we write document dot element y id. So this is demo and inner HTML and y, right? So this is high, it convert into the y. So this is the type of we are writing the script HTML JavaScript in the body tag, right? We are writing the JavaScript in the body tag, so between the script tag. So now save this and run this. If you run here, now run this, then you will see this is a we have placed the JavaScript between the body tag. So right, simple, this is high, and we will click this button, click here, click here. Now it is converting to the y, so it is perfectly working. So it is working, this high is converted into the this y, right? So it is a in between the body tag. Now we see the head tag. So this is a head, this is our head, this is our head. So we have placed the code in the head tag. So this is our head tag, right? So we put this same script in the between the script, this is our between the script in the head tag. So we place in the head tag. Now save and run this, right? So this is the save and run this, okay. So this is a JavaScript placement. Here we are learning when we place in the head tag, how it will react, how it will behave, right? So now here it is a high, right? So when you click this button, then it will change to the y. So that means it is the in between the head tag, it is perfectly working. In between head tag, it is working properly, right? So here it is also working properly, script, on here it is also working properly. Now comment it. Now we make a file myscript.js and put this code function my function, right? We make a new file, that is myscript.js, and we put the here function my function dot document dot element by id demo dot nsv dot y. So we put this function here, right, in external file. Now to use this file you will have to import it here by using this like this. So you will have to write script src. In src you will have to give this path myscript.js in the, so right. So now save this. Now if we run this here, now it is the example of external JavaScript placement. So we have put the function in the external file myscript.js. So now run this, we already run this. So now see, this is high, and we click this button, click here, so it will change to the Y, right? So you can see that it is properly changing to the Y, because that means this external JavaScript we have put here, it is working perfectly fine. So you will use this like this, right? For external JavaScript, for in between head tag you can use, or in between tag you can also use. So three ways you can use: in between the body tag, in between the head tag, and then external. So three types of JavaScript you can place. For if project is larger, then normally company use the external, this external JavaScript placement, because it is easy to customize, right? That's why most of the company use this external JavaScript like this in new file, right? So this is the basic introduction of JavaScript placement. And please share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel, like and comment, and for more videos. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.